Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I came with many important opportunity for 2024, 2025 and 2026 pass out batch. So first important opportunity, this is the last date for applying for this job. So that is from the company Akky's consulting group, and they are hiring for the role of Python developer. So if you are interested in Python and want a full-time job, then you can apply for this. Salary you can get from 15,000 to 30,000. So that depends on your experience and knowledge. So if you want, you can apply for this important opportunity. Moving to next important opportunity from the HPE, they are hiring for the role of junior SRE engineer. And talking a little bit more about the job description, so you will basically manage the system reliability, cloud native technology, and you will basically work on all these area. Okay, so what are the requirements for that? You should have bachelor degree in CS, IT or related fields, and familiarity with the cloud platform will give advantage, means additional advantage. And you should have knowledge of computer network such as TCP, IP, domain naming system, HTTP, HTTPS, and preferred they are preparing the Python. So make sure to apply the updated resume. This is a wonderful opportunity. Next important opportunity, that is from the Accenture. They are hiring for the role of fresh graduate talent intake 2025-2026. So this job is open only to Mauritius. Okay, so I think you can ignore this. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the NTT Data. They are hiring for the role of data analyst, business analyst, and this job is a wonderful opportunity. So this will be your responsibility. You will basically work on some business development, and you should have some domain knowledge in businesses and all those stuff. So if you want, you can apply for this. Just check the complete job link in the description what they are asking, and you can just apply for this. Moving to next, that is from the Quest Global. They are hiring for the role of intern, and job location is Bengaluru, and this is a wonderful opportunity. So key responsibility will support career architecture design, document and maintain repository, analyze data and identify pattern, and facilitate and incorporate stakeholder. So this will be your responsibility, means you should have some knowledge or proficiency in MS Office and written and oral communication skills and exposure to all those things. So make sure to apply with the updated resume, and this is wonderful opportunity. Next opportunity from GE Healthcare, and this is also they are hiring for the role of graduate engineer trainee. I already provided update for this role, and some students are getting the reward. So if you are from the BTech graduate electrical electronics or medical electronics background, then you can apply for these will your roles and responsibility. You can just go through it. Moving to next opportunity, they are hiring for the role of assistant engineer fire and life safety. So and last date to apply for this is 10th April. Okay, I think this is for the role of Dhaka. Okay, so you can ignore this. Okay, moving to next important opportunity. So this is hiring alert, and from the ACA Digital. So they are hiring for the role of QA engineers for multiple roles, and you should have some knowledge in testings or some proficiency in Python. So if you are interested, just reach out to them and share your profile with them. This is also a wonderful opportunity. Friends, currently TCS have announced the result, and within 7 days they have announced the result. So if you want some important free preparation material for the interview, just go through this video and you can get all the free PDF link in the description. You can also go with the selection journey of the candidates who have been selected, and if you want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can schedule. Okay, actually this candidates was from our mock interview. So if you are interested, you can apply. Again saying, friends, if you are interested, you can give the mock interview to us. Otherwise, just give the mock interview to your friends or other. Okay, if you want the selection, because mock interview will increase the chances of selection, because it will basically boost your confidence for the real interview. So all the best to the candidates who have exam further, and make sure to subscribe us, be regularly for lots of job update here. So मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.